Alright guys, this is the third video made so far. I ain't having too much luck. So I'm going to compare a black cat firecracker, a regular black cat, against a firecracker I made and a ground pounder, TNT ground pounder. So here we go. Here we go. Wow. How loud. So now, time for the ground pounder. Now this is an underwater firecracker. This is pretty cool. So here we go. I can actually throw this anywhere I want now. This one right here. Now my daggum thing ain't lighting. What the hell's going on here? I'm getting soaked here. Alright, I'm gonna throw that one out there. Oh! Super loud, super loud. Now, here we go. Bad boy. This one should work now. I'm going to put this one right here and light it. Alright, here we go. Whoa! That was sweet. Alright. That's it, y'all.